NYX Total Drops Foundation is what I bring to you in this video. Heavily requested, and I have been trying this for a while. I have my thoughts on them. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you to JoyGeeks, a channel where I create beauty and wellness videos exploring beauty inside out. Well, NYX is known to be an affordable brand which is quite decent in its quality. I'm surprised they've priced it at $12.50. There are 25 shades available in this foundation, which is beautiful because you need a lot of skin tones and colors and all of that because we are a huge variety of colorful people. So I appreciate that about NYX. What shade do I use? I'll soon get to that because there's a little combination I do. NYX is a cruelty-free brand, so that's an A+. Comes in this box. It shows how many drops you need for light, medium and a full coverage. This is the actual bottle. It's glass. It's pretty tiny. You can see the palm of my hand. It's smaller than my entire palm. So this is all you get actually. This comes with a dropper and the formula is extremely runny. It's not creamy, I would say. I don't necessarily feel the need to use it with my fingers, although you can. I think it's cute and travel friendly. I like the packaging. I know it seems pricey for 13 ml to cost $12.50, but I got it at under $1,000 in discount. And anyway, if you're somebody who likes sheer coverage, you don't need a lot of it, and this is really going to last you a long time. Coming to the shade range, despite having 25 shades, they did not have like one bottle with my exact shade. I did have to use Camel, which is 12.5, and Golden Honey, which is 14. Let's see what NYX has to say about this foundation. From sheer to full, your ideal coverage just drops away with the new NYX Professional Makeup's Total Control Draw Foundation. Fine-tune this velvety matte foundation with the included dropper. Simply adjust the number of drops until you create the look you're feeling today. Want more coverage? Add more drops. I agree with that. You can add more drops and it does not look cakey or heavy or anything. It's very smooth on that. Golden Honey is a little too dark for me, and 12.5 Camel is a wee bit peachy for me, which makes it a little artificial. So I kind of mix these two. Get my color. I have normal to combination skin. This is just looking shiny right now. I'll just set to a matte. Let's just wait it out. I quite like this finish. It's velvety matte. So the features are custom create the level of coverage you want with this liquid foundation. Yes. Silky smooth formula that is absolutely lightweight on skin. Yes, it's very lightweight on the skin. Provides sheer to full coverage with a matte finish. Well, I prefer sheer, but today I did use a couple of layers because I was trying to get my correct tone. There's a makeup tip from them. Buff expertly using the NYX Professional Makeup Total Drop Foundation Brush for a seriously smooth finish. I just used the foundation brush that I had, and you can as well. I've just used the Eco Stay Perfecting Primer. You can check out the video. I already have one on this. I love this. It's created a smooth base for me, and now I'm going to go on. I want it to be slightly more warm, so I'm going to go with this Golden Honey and just like, kind of just touch it around there. Okay, so this side of the face I'll use a brush, and this side I'll use the fingers. I quite like the effect even with the brush. Well, I did go on and apply the second coat because I thought it was slightly uneven, the way it was mixed. I just have a little lip tint and eyebrows on. What do you feel? This is $12.50 each bottle. I had to get one and then had to get another one, before which I tried out shade number 12, which was too light for me. Got 3 shades actually. I still haven't really found my exact match, and I have to mix the foundation, which I applied more and more drops to kind of get my skin tone because I was mixing 2 colors, and ended up at least with I think 8 drops, which is a lot. But I can see that it has covered up pretty well. I am somebody who's extremely finicky and I want it to look extremely natural. I know it's looking great on camera. It looks like, wow, what a lovely finish. But in person or in certain lighting, I think this looks a wee bit ashy. Although it is workable. I'm not saying I hate it. I actually didn't put any of it on my neck. You can see what happens when you do not apply foundation on the neck. Can you see the difference? That is something that should not happen. So while I did add the 2 shades and it is very, very close to my skin tone, there's always a chance, in a rush, that I could have certain spots which are not my tone. I should ideally have taken the foundation on the back of my hand, mixed it with my shade, and then started applying. While you're applying, move quickly because it's just going to quickly get matte. The demo that you see, I shot that, and then I shot an entire lip swatch video, which was I think about 2.5 hours ago, and then I'm shooting this. So what you see is already half a wear test. This has not oxidized, not creased, not gone shiny. I did not have to powder it in the last 3 hours actually from the time I wore it first. In fact, I didn't powder it at all. I just powdered it around my nose and I just left the rest of it because I just didn't feel like it. I'm in the beginning of summer. I don't know how this would work in winters, but for now, I love this finish. I did use a beautiful primer, so it didn't dry me out. But if you're dry, you'll have to heavily moisturize yourself, and I think then it would be great for you. So I do give this foundation a thumbs up. As long as you find your shade, you're in a great spot. I know you're going to ask me what's on my lips. It's Missy and Fierce from Wet n Wild Catsuit. I did mention in my video earlier, 70% of the people watching my videos haven't subscribed, guys. Please subscribe right away. Do not forget, please do hit on the like button. Please do share with your friends, because if I don't see the numbers on my video, I think you guys don't really want it. So that's not very encouraging for me. Yeah, that's about it. See you.